So we've just stopped at Little Roper, which we're using as our little base stations at Mataranka and Bitter Springs. And tell you what, I reckon we've got the best site in the joint. We're in the unpowered section right at the back. We've got this back corner and we get from the hay bales here all the way over, and just at night the sun's going down behind us and it's just so Mickey Mouse. You might be able to hear the kids in the back. It's just like they're cutting sick on the hay bales and there's so much stuff to play on. It's just unreal. But this little secluded spot, it's just really good. Really stoked with where we're at. Tonight, have a campfire cook up. We're gonna go check out Bitter Springs and we're just gonna chill out this arvo and cook around the camp. Got a big pork to throw in the billy, so I reckon today's gonna be a good one. The run of hot springs continues. We started off Catherine Springs, then went to Berry Springs, then we went to Mataranka Hot Springs, and now going to Bitter Springs. Eventually it might be all sprung out, but let's go check it out. Another day, another camp cook up. We're on a roll at the moment. So we're somewhere north of Three Ways. We're gonna have another cook up. God knows where we are. Drove down the road, didn't like a couple of camps, pulled in here. We've actually got this sick view over the sunset. There's just all these plains down behind the van here. We've got the Snowy, the car sitting here, and then behind the guys, just over that ridge is just plains and plains of just scrub, and what we see around us is just this low-lying eucalypt. So we went and saw a Nathan Whippy Griggs show and we bought a whip. Show us how it's done, Dor. You got it wrapped around your head. Right, it's there, pre-cut up the olive and veg. Got these just browning up in here. We've got our chicken browning up on the lid. That's just in a bit of flour, like that. Hillbilly. In with some garlic, some water, and just let it cook. Actually, rightio, it's gotten pretty dark. We finished our cook up. We've been campfire cooking. It's all a bit of a guessing game as to how long it's going to take. But she's cooked herself a really good looking like pasta and chicken curry, which just be sick. So serve him up outside. She's a bit messy coming off the fire, but she looks pretty good. Check it out. So we're getting to the end of our bucket list stuff now. Here we are, Uluru. It's actually one of the most like iconic Aussie landscapes, I reckon. Here we are. We've got our bikes, these cruisers. Sarah and I have hired cruisers. The boys are on their BMX jump machines. There's Sarah looking savvy in her helmet. Just going to do the 15k ride. We've just got our bikes, got the thing in the hill, we've got our water. We're about to just take off. For 15k, we're going to trundle around. Got a couple of hours to do it. Yeah, let's check out this sweet rock.
Uluru.
Now Sarah got to do the walk when she was a kid, and I'm jealous because check it out. Like, just looking up this, it looks really sick, but closed Aboriginal site, can't go up there. But wow, that would have been amazing at the top of this.
Keep going up. That's just a good thing.
Right, yeah, and that's the end of our little bike ride. Well, it's about 10k. There's no way knowing we would have got around the rock walking with the three lads like us. We're already getting complaints about some tired legs already now, but that is really cool. Get on the bike to get to see the whole way around. If we were walking, we would have been probably limited to just the front, so happy days, pretty good. Rightio, so today we are tackling our last walk. We're doing the Kings Canyon Rim Walk, or so we think. We might end up shortening it up, we'll see how we go. It's like the coldest it's been in our time on this whole last 6 months. It's like a solid 12 degrees. Everyone's had to go and find the jeans that we packed. It's the first time I've ever worn jeans, so we're at 12 degrees, actually really good temp for this walk. It had a bit of rain, so the rocks look really red, colours look really vibrant. Bit overcast, but I don't know. Here's hoping for a pretty good day. Oh, she starts out climbing about 100 metres straight up steps. So she's a pretty steep climb straight up on this one, but I reckon she's going to flatten out and just be awesome and just follow the canyon around. Check this out in the background. This place is like, got to be some of the best views I've seen yet. Look at that, it's down into the valley floor down here. And because it's rained, the reds are like really rich. And these white trees growing out of the rock, I reckon have to be the speckiest looking thing. They're almost pure white in amongst the reds and maroons. It's really cool. And the silvery green leaf. And here we are, the section they call the Garden of Eden, and it's like so grand. It's really cool. But there's some seriously steep steps down. Check these bad boys out. These are not your regulation steps. But at the bottom we've got this. Little bridges. To the Garden of Eden, you just go up these steps on the way out. I'm pretty savage. Wouldn't have liked to have been the bloke that had the job of building these. Holy moly, check it out. Rightio. Now we're up the stairs. Now we're just chasing this edge along, and holy moly, we are right on the edge of the cliff. Check it out. That's where we're going. And this is what we're walking beside. This is specky stuff. Check out this view. So, stop. I'm stressed out about these boys on the edge of this thing. Oof. Whoa. What do you reckon, boys? Check looking down there.
I would not want to fall down there.
That is just so big.